Hi, this is Samita. In world of digital load, our inner architecture suffers because of structural drift. We are collapsed over screen for days, creating tech neck and compressing the spine. This isn't a posture problem. It's physical foundation leak that drains your energy. Step 1, the foundation stack. Let us begin our pillar audit. Look down at your feet, which are hip wide apart, and stack your knees exactly above the ankles and your hips above the knees. Feel the weight distribute evenly. You are now grounding your physical foundation. Step 2, lengthening the pillar. Imagine the plumb line which runs between the floor and the ceiling. Lift your ribs. And this is your spinal pillar. Don't just stand tall. Create space between each vertebra. When this pillar is upright, your system signals flow without any interference. Step 3, the cervical reset. Finally, the most common glitch. Tuck your chin gently and imagine pulling your ears behind until they are exactly above your shoulders. Feel the release at the base of your skull. This is cognitive calibration starting at the physical level. Hold this alignment, breathe. Notice how your inner vitality amplifies when the architecture is correct. This is ancient intelligence for modern living. Keep this pillar in mind every time you sit at your desk. And thank you so much for joining me.